Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn how to create title animation in Adobe Premium Pro CC. Let's start. First, create a new project. Intro animation. Select the file path or your system location. Capture format DV. OK. This is the project. Then create a new sequence. Select sequence, HTV format, HTV 1080p 30, sequence name, sequence 01. Okay, fine. Now go to select text. Select the text NK Learning. This is a text format. I'm select this. You can change the size. Align center. Then go to select the rectangle. This is the shapes. Select the shapes. This is the text properties. Select white. Then select the shapes. Go to this is the shapes properties. Fill color white. Just select Alt press, drag your mouse, copy one. You can drag like this. Rename. This is the tutorial. Align the text. I need to little increase the size. Horizontal wise. Fit. Then align the tutorial text. Zoom in the sequence. Select the shapes. This is the effect control. We select effect control. Select the shapes. We have two shapes on here. Delete one. Use this. Select the shapes. Disable the uniform scale. You can increase or decrease horizontal scale. I need to select the 0. Select time frame. Go to 0.10 and go to increase the scale size, horizontal scale size 100. See, now an animation, the shapes. Then go to NK Learning text. you select mask. Just select a mask. You can place the above the shades. The text only show the mask. See, that's why using mask. Copy the position amount, then decrease the amount. You can select the position timeline, go to the time frame 0.20. Now paste the previous value. See, NK Learning is animate. Now go to tutorial text, select the text properties, select the mask. This is below the shapes. You can make a mask. Like this. Go to the transform. Select the position. Copy the value. Select the position timeline. Then go to the sequence time 30s. Now paste the previous value. See, I'm going to reverse animation. Go the end 4.28 second. I need 4.18. Okay, select the shapes. Horizontal scale 99. Then go the 4.28 time frame. You can reduce the horizontal scale 0. See, reverse shapes animation. Then go the tutorial and to change in the reverse animation. Select tutorial timeline 4.08. Go anchor point. Transform is now use anchor point. See, just select the anchor point. (4.18). You can increase the anchor point. The tutorial inside the shapes. See. Then Go to the NK learning text. Select the NK learning. Go to the transform. Select anchor point timeline. Go to 4.8. Decrease the value. Now show the animation. Now show the entire animation. See, this is the text animation. Adobe Premium Pro. You can use any intros or your video. Now insert the video. Control I or import file, import short form, Control plus I. Select this video. Just drag the sequence. Move the video 2 and 3. This main video is video 1. See, I need the strokes on the text, little effect, and select NK. This is secure text. You can change the font. You have a lot of fonts. You can select on and select this one. This is appearance. You can change the color. You can use appearance, fill color, any color you want to change. I want light color. I need white. This is stroke. Enable stroke. Stroke color. You can fill color in stroke. Increase the stroke size. Right side you can increase the stroke size. This is shadows. This text shadows. This is a distance. This is opacity. .75 is perfect. This is all appearance. Then go to tutorial, text, go to secure text, appearance, enable stroke. Increase the stroke size. Select copy the color, Control plus C. I need both text or same color. Go to secure text, Control V. Both are now same color. In shadows, enable shadow. This is the distance. Fine. See, Now showing the stroke. See, this is title animation in Adobe Premium Pro CC. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.